Hello everyone. Are you looking for pocket-friendly, but amazing beard oil? Are you confused about the wide variety of beard oil available in market? Don't worry, we have got you covered. We have shortlisted some of the best for you. First on our list is Spruce Shave Club Beard Growth Oil. This beard oil specifically formulated for beard growth. It has 8 natural oils like argan oil, almond oil, avocado oil, castor oil, and many others. It has vitamin E, helps to strengthen hair follicles. This is free of sulfates and parabens. Next on our list is Grandeur Beard Oil. It is a natural beard oil proudly made in India. It helps you get rid of an itchy and scratchy beard. It helps your beard shine and looks healthy. It also absorbs deeply into your beard fast. Next on our list is Earth Therapy Beard Oil. Have you ever heard of a beard growth that is super healthy? It increases hair size and thickness. It attacks dandruff and infections. It is made from natural ingredients. Next on our list is The Man Company Beard Oil. It controls frizz for a more manageable beard. This beard oil penetrates into the skin and nourishes deeply. It has many antibacterial properties. It gives a smoother and shinier beard. Next on our list is Astra Beard Growth Oil. This beard oil specifically formulated for beard growth. It has 8 natural oils like argan oil, almond oil, avocado oil, castor oil and many other. It has vitamin E, helps to strengthen hair follicles. This is free of sulfates and parabens. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. For buying these products or for grooming and health tips, visit my website. Link given in description.